Hey everyone, so at this point you should know how to make your parameters only passable by position, such as what we have here, but now I'm going to be teaching you how to create them by keyword only. To do this, you put an asterisk in your parameter list, and anything after the asterisk is by keyword only. So we can put an asterisk here, and then a comma, and anything after this is by keyword. So running this now, we're going to get an error because we're passing in two arguments by position and we're only allowed to give one. So what we need to do is we need to say be nice and assign it true. Running it now and it works. So what you can do now is you can put data between these two after the slash and before the asterisk to say both. On the left we have position only, on the right we have name only, and then in between we have either. So I'm going to be talking about that in the next video where we're going to summarize all these different parameter things. So stay tuned for that.